Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. With Valentine's Day approaching, the next couple of weeks of this series will be showcasing a variety of glam makeup looks. Today we're creating a smoky soft glam eye featuring orange tan, warm brown and black with gold shimmer. Stay tuned until the end to see more shots of the finished look. I've completed one eye to show you how it will look, so let's get started on the other one. I'm starting with a light cream shade under the brow to create a subtle highlight. Using this Revolution palette, I'm applying a medium orange tan eyeshadow with a sweeping motion, then blending it into the cream shade for a soft transition, extending it into the soft pointed edge at the outer corner. I'll go back in with the same colour, applying more product to deepen the area beneath the initial light layer. I'll now go in with a pencil brush with the same colour and apply below the lash line. To deepen the crease, I'm layering a warm brown from this MAC palette with another brush, applying it in the same way as the previous shade, then using another pencil brush to apply this brown closer to the lash line, extending it into the outer corner. I'm now going to use this soft gold shimmer with a flat brush and sweep it across the lid, blending it into the outer corner. Next I'm applying black eyeliner to the waterline for extra definition. Then I'll add a bit of black eyeliner along the top lash line and softly buff out both the upper and lower lash lines with a touch of black eyeshadow using a short brush. I'll now complete the eyes with mascara and false lashes. For the cheeks, I'll mix two blush shades and apply them along the cheekbones with a large brush. I'll then use the same tan blush to softly contour under the cheekbones and along the temples. I'll now use the highlighter from the same palette and apply above the cheekbones with a soft brush. I'll then use a liner brush to apply this to the Cupid's bow. I'll finish the lips using MAC's Boldly Bare lip liner and a lipstick in shade called Yash, and then I'll top it off with some clear lip gloss. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to spread the word to anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or want to collaborate. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.